to the oil prices. We've gotten a word from the management of BPCL because there is this Red Sea situation, this crisis. But the word that we're getting from the management of BPCL is that they are not quite affected. The oil major's top boss has spoken to us, and he's ruled out disruptions going ahead from here. Mr. G. Krishnakumar is talking about escalations, and that, he says, could be a risk. It could lead to higher crude oil prices. But besides that, he's also spoken about the scope of renewable energy. Listen in to an excerpt of that conversation he had with my colleague Prakash.
Presently, there is no impact. We are watching it with caution. It can impact in future if the conflicts worsen. Right now, there is nothing is impactful to us.
Okay, and taking into account, will there be a separate strategy in terms of sourcing crude from different parts of the country to meet your demand?
Of course, we, as usual, will be diversifying our sources of crude. We will look for the best possible rates which we can get so that it economically makes sense.
Okay, and so what would be the crude outlook going forward?
We believe it will be range bound because it is depending on multitude of factors. So it will be between 80 to 87, 85. It will be range bound between $80 to $85.
Okay, and
unless the conflicts escalate and all that. Right now, we believe the present condition, crude will be within $80 to $85.
Okay, and my last question would be, sir, on your capex. Since the companies are diversifying its portfolio, especially OMCs, and it's been the government thrust as well to diversify, especially in the areas like green, renewable, green hydrogen, and so on. So, what would be the BPCL's strategy going forward, along with the other developmental work?
We have a 5-year strategy which we have worked out. We see the current country needs a lot of energy for its growing. India is growing economically; it's growing. It's supposed to be 7 trillion economy, and all this needs energy. If you wait for a renewable energy to take you there, it may not be enough. It may take a longer time. So we believe the current traditional fuels will have to be leveraged.
All right, so that's the outlook coming in.